Hello. Hello. Hello, my subscribers. Ooh. I have to move my microphone a little bit closer. Okay, there. I think the people can hear me. We have someone coming. They don't. I'm not a cat. He thinks I'm a cat, but I'm not. I'm a Halloween girl. I like Halloween. Okay, it's morning, so that's fine. That's fine. Let's put my lamp back. Oh, we didn't say what this is. Okay, so basically this is a survival series. We haven't have a name yet for it. And don't judge that hole. That was a creeper explosion, and I decided to fix it a little bit and maybe put water in here. Or we can just name this the Finder Pokestar, because he always falls in holes. This is the Pokestar hole. Yeah, okay. Well, we weren't recording this, but we had, I have this stuff, and then we already have houses we made off camera. So, and this is off camera as well. Are you sure about that, mister? We have an AFK booth for some reason. I don't know why I wanted an AFK booth. It's an AFK booth. It's epic. It's AFK. Yeah. Then there's Dill on the other side. So it's going another way. We already have steak, and I already have like a pinch of armor on. Nom nom nom. So this is a little area for him. He already has iron armor because I haven't went mining yet. His stuff not in there. Here you go, have your bed. Pretty much he's trying to move out of that place. Somewhere around here we have, oh my god. Okay, I just got notified by a YouTuber of a YouTube video from AFML. It's another Royal Tail video. I'm pumped now to watch that. Okay. I don't think you can hear him, but I try to put my iPad as close to my microphone so people can hear the kitsune. So I hope this worked. I don't have headphones on, so if I pause the video and listen back to it, it's gonna be like I'm like grab my sword and then grab lots of food because I'm gonna be mining and I don't wanna like run out of food while I'm down there in the mine. Why did my bread just change into carrots? I don't know why, but my bread changed into carrots. Don't judge that. I had to have a crafting table in the corner. So I got some potatoes. Do you want some potatoes? Okay. We're gonna have a mining journey. Okay. I'm gonna bring lots of food for us on this journey. Okay, let's put the extras into here. Yeah. I've seen a mine already. I think it's a really good mine that I saw, but I think we need to collect some blocks before we go down to the mine that I saw because, like, it's pretty deep and I don't want to get stuck down there and trapped and wait until we get some, like, stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get some blocks so I won't be stuck down there as well. Yes. Okay. I've been a heartbreaker. Sorry. Okay, I had to sing that song real quick because I got it stuck in my head already. Okay. I got some wood. I'm gonna go back to my house and get the extra wood I have. What did you do to the hole? Like, half of the dirt is gone from the hole. What did you do? Like, there's a line leading somewhere from the hole for the Kyle.
There's a line leading to the hole.
Yeah, there's a line leading to the hole.
Look, it looks like this.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's go find that mine, because I already have my blocks. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. I have blocks just in case we get fallen in a hole or something like my Kyle. We don't have torches, I think. I don't have. Okay, wait, let me make some sticks real quick. Oh, do you have coal? Did you find coal? I need sticks so I can make something for me because I don't have it yet. I forgot to make one of these at my house when I had a chance, and I didn't do that. I'm gonna make two so I won't get, so like if one breaks, I still have it. Still trying to get some coal. I'm gonna go get some coal. Let me get this. Okay, wait. Let me make a crafting table. Not crafting table, an axe so I can break the crafting table. It's a wand for me. The freaking axe is a wand, so like it's just a magical wand. Now, who cares? I feel like I left my crafting table and I didn't think about grabbing it. Yep, hello crafting table. Come with me. Okay. There's nothing here. Ooh, I see coal. I need my blocks. Don't really need my axe now. Did you find some stuff? I found a hole that brings me to a different cave. Really cool. I'm going down a hole. I don't know. I'm going. Anna, I'm running out of blocks. I need a way to get back up. Here, look. Do you have enough blocks to do this? I see lava. I only have one more block. Do you have blocks? We can. Okay, I'm gonna use my last block later. I'm gonna get this extra coal so we can make more torches. I'm not gonna grab all of it just in case. I just want to make a torch. Okay, I have a torch. Okay, let's grab my axe real quick. Coming! Just need to get this freaking crafting table. Thank goodness I brought lots of food with me. Like, I have bread, carrots, a steak, potato. Don't judge by, okay? I needed food. Lots of food. Okay. This adventure, I think I threw out my pickaxe. No, I didn't. I still have it. Ooh, that's a skelly that has a freaking gun. No. No, bad skelly. Bad skeleton. Skelly. Yes, it's mine. All mine. Put this stuff. Oh my god. Freaking. Oh my god, that's another one. That's a freaking another one. There's another one. I'm gonna die. I need food. I need food real quick. Handle more off as soon. I just need food so I can heal. I need a heal. Oh no. Get out. All your stuff is off the ground. No. Did you halfway fall in the freaking lava? Die. Yeah, there's like freaking 3 of them here. No. The freaking gun. I can't believe it hit you. Freaking sands. Wait, I don't know what that is because the texture pack's making it. Oh my god. That's a creeper. That's what I know. That's a creeper. I said that's a creeper, bro. Like 100 times before you exploded. I said it. Oh, I think that's obsidian. That's still not obsidian. I don't know. We're just gonna leave that there until we get diamonds. And there's another skeleton. I'll kill it. It fell down a hole. It fell down a hole. We're safe. It fell down a hole.
That was confirmed. That is Mikhail's skeleton right there?
Yes. It is now confirmed. It is Mikhail. Mikhail, how did you die? Wait, how did you die? Oh my god, you died again. Oh god. Die, you skeleton! Ow. Wait, I need to eat. Eat. If you lose health, you should just eat. Die! Oh, I see redstone. Let's get some redstone. Get some redstone. I know what redstone looks like. I don't have enough space. Redstone right here. Redstone. It's like bathroom floor.
Wait, let's stop right here for a second.
Okay.
Actually, you can go on that.
Okay, I'm gonna go find a spot that looks decent for mining. Somewhere. There's nowhere else to go now. We only have that way. What is that? Is that water? I think that's water. The shade. I can't see anything over here. I'm just gonna see what this is. Yeah, there's water. Ooh, this is coal. We have a jackpot of coal. Ooh, there's a cave up here. Just go where I went. You'll see another cave. Ooh, found something. I don't have a strong enough pickaxe. Okay, wait. Where's my... there we go.
As we're doing this, do you want to do like...
I don't have it. Do you have sticks? Do you have sticks?
Yeah.
Can I have some? I don't have one. I don't have one, and then I found iron, and I need to break some. But I'm up here.
Wait, do you want to have a pickaxe?
Yeah. I don't have a stone pickaxe, and I found iron. I need stone pickaxe to get it. I haven't been mining yet in this world, okay? So I'm just like here, chilling. I think that's iron, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, look. It's other piece. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. How much iron is here? It's like freaking 100. There's one against the wall. There's one against the wall. Okay, wait. I'm gonna see what's up here. I'm gonna put. Okay, wait. Let me see if I can find something here. Nope, I found nothing. Found nothing. Nothing's there. Thank you. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dig down a little bit. Let me see if I can make a tunnel down to the place. Ooh! Found more iron. All this iron. Look at this. So beautiful. Just gonna here. Break that block next to this iron. Okay. I'm gonna keep on looking. I think I'm pretty lucky. Oh my goodness! How did this get here? How did everything? What the heck? And there's more. Wow, just wow. Look at that. We have lots of iron now. Look how much iron we have. That's amazing. I feel like there's gonna be more iron everywhere I go. Oh my god, I saw something. There is? Wow. Okay, wait, let me see if I can find anything. Nope, I found nothing. Just stone. Okay. We have lots of iron. So we have to make sure we protect the iron, protect me so I won't die. Okay. Oh my freaking goodness. It was so freak. This video's been on for 14 minutes and this video is only gonna be able to go for like 15 minutes. So I think we might have to end this video here because